Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'll be reviewing the Anet N4 resin printer. I had been waiting a little bit for this printer because it was coming from China and had to go through customs and everything, but it's here now and I'll do an unboxing and see how it goes. So again, this is the Anet N4 resin printer. So I just powered on the printer and I'm going to be following along the user manual to calibrate the printer and see how we can get this first test print going. So first I'm going to be leveling the machine, and to do so first we have to move the axis up. So I moved it up 10 millimeters and then I'm going to add the loading platform. Then I'm going to tighten it down with the hand screw. And then now I'm going to loosen with the hex wrench. So I'm having some trouble finding where the two hand screws are of the resin tank. I'm digging around a little bit. Maybe I have to look a little bit more, see if there's anywhere buried in this packaging, but that's the next step on here, is to tighten down the hand screws, but haven't been able to find them yet. So unfortunately I can't find the hand screws for the resin tank. I'm gonna have to contact the Anet team and see if they'll be able to send those out to me. I guess I'll pick up the review where I leave off once I get those hand screws. Alright, so I'm finally getting back to finishing this video. When I was initially doing the unboxing, the screws weren't in with the initial printer that they sent me. They apologized, and Anet did send me these new screws to use with the printer, and now it should be up and functioning. I'm gonna do a test print, see how it turns out. And this part I would stress you wanna wear a mask and gloves because of the resin fumes, and you don't want to get it on your skin. So let's check it out. Okay, so the print just finished. This took 5 hours to print. It was listed as the Castle print on the printer. Came as a sample print. The detail came out really nice. I'll have to do some close-ups, but you can see a lot of the detail with the resin printer. Even in the dome, you can see a lot of the ridges. The only thing I did notice is you can see one line going across, but again, this is just my first print on this printer, and as a sample print, this came out really nice. Yeah, so I think that's a review. It's the Anet N4 printer, and I guess check them out on their website.